Everything's fine. This video, I'm gonna cover doing some work to this, picking up a couple of sticks that fell on my excavator, and then we're gonna go do some work with it.
None of these switches work. I was gonna try to salvage this. I am starting completely from scratch. This is too many wires.
I just cut a bunch of extra wires out. I'm gonna build a new harness. So FridayParts.com sent me out the alternator. I've worked with those guys for a couple of years. Brand new alternator, brand new wiring harness. Let's go throw this in. Fantastic company. If you guys need parts for your heavy equipment, go check out FridayParts.com. They got a ton of stuff on their website, and I really like working with them.
I tied everything off to this antenna that I have so I can shove it through and find it.
I'll leave links for their website down in the description below.
There we're at. Bunch more fiddling around. There we go. Alright, so that's working the way that that's supposed to be.
That ain't good. I heard a noise. You know, this freaking tree broke off that hydraulic fitting. You know, it probably broke this one off too. Man, that sucks. I bet getting that one off is gonna be a treat too. Alright, well, fix that. Oh yeah, that's gonna come right out of there. Here I was all geared up for a fight. Got two brand new hoses. It was a little bit of a chase to try to find the right ones, but I got them. Hopefully trees stop falling on my machine. My battery's about to die, but I fixed it. I got rid of all the unnecessary wiring. There's two wires in there that run the hydraulic switches, and that's the only thing that needs power. They're on a switch, so it's safe. You can shut, as soon as you shut that switch off, the hydraulics don't work anymore.